भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक के गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास ने कहा है कि लॉकडाउन के बाद ढील देने से भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था अब सामान्य हो गई है। उन्होंने कहा कि रिजर्व बैंक ने वित्त प्रणाली की सुरक्षा के लिए कई अहम कदम उठाए हैं ताकि मौजूदा संकट में अर्थव्यवस्था को सहारा मिल सके। आरबीआई गवर्नर ने कहा कि उनकी सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता आर्थिक विकास के साथ वित्तीय स्थिरता भी है।
Banks and other financial entities are today at the forefront of the country's countermeasures against the economic impact of COVID-19. The broader objective was to mitigate the risks to growth outlook while preserving financial stability. The COVID-19 pandemic perhaps represents so far the biggest test of robustness and resilience of our economic and financial system. Specialized handling of weak institutions at the Reserve Bank now helps in closure monitoring and successful resolution of such entities in a non-disruptive manner. The timely and successful resolution of the Yes Bank is an example. After exhausting all other possible options, and with a view to safeguard the interest of depositors and ensure stability of the financial system, we decided to intervene at an appropriate time when the net worth of the bank, that is Yes Bank, was still positive. The Yes Bank reconstruction scheme forged a unique public-private partnership between leading financial entities of India, and it was implemented in very quick time, which helped the bank's revival, successfully safeguarded the interest of the depositors, and ensured financial stability.